What's up, junkies? In this video, I'm just running a quick test of my Blazar Beetle lenses. I'm running them just for overall look, color, and focus breathing. I'm also going to be making some of the raw files available so that you can actually color grade them and look at them for yourself on your own editor so that you can see exactly the quality of the R3D and E files. And I can't wait to hear your thoughts about it in the comments down below. And now let's get to the test footage. Let me know what you thought of the shots and the focus breathing. And like I said, the link is down below if you want to download the raw files yourself. So with that being said, till next time, talk to you. And I want to give a special thanks to the junkies who support me through channel memberships.